We have new data for Bullish IPO. Two new companies just IPO'd today, and they're very important. First, we have Firefly, and second, we have White Fiber. So this is everything you need to know for Bullish IPO. So, of course, we have Firefly IPO, which had 20 times oversubscriber rate. Why is that important? They have less shares than Figma did, and they had 40 overtime squares. So even if they had a lot more, 10 million more shares, they would have a lower subscriber rate than 20. So, and then CRCL was a little bit before the IPO. This is what started the IPO hype with a 20 times oversubscribe rate, just like Firefly, but they had a lot more shares. And one of the differences, Firefly was only offered on one platform, Figma was offered on a couple, and CRCL was only offered a couple. Bullish that is coming out has less shares offered and has offered on SoFi, it's offered on Moomoo, Webull, and Robinhood. So they're expanding the IPO game, and it only has 20 million shares compared to the almost 40 million shares. So what I'm hoping for is a 35 to 50 plus oversubscribe rate for a lot of hype coming out. A lot of people are going to be looking at CRCL because it's a similar company and think they're going to be able to hold their bag with diamond hands. But there really is, it probably going to look something similar to what came out today with Firefly. Even though this has less hype, it took a little quick up for if you bought at the dip, it would be 10%. If you bought here, it would be 5%, which is probably what I'm be going for in a large position here. So don't really hold your bags on these because people are going to compare it to CRCL or even Figma, how it's been going up for a little bit, and hold a little longer than they should be buying. And White Fiber, for example, White Fiber has had zero hype and came out today. Not zero hype, probably like 9 times oversubscribed, but it went down and kept going down. Even though this is a okay company, then it just got pushed down because there really isn't any hype towards this, and it was really overvalued at open. Firefly. I'm back to Firefly. This company doesn't have really good. There's way better competitors in the industry compared to this, and I think with this company isn't as high quality as CRCL or as Figma, but I still think it's worse than Bullish. So my idea was that if this mediocre company can pop on the first day, at least in the first, this is the first minute of trading right here, then so can Bullish. And it's going to be a lot more hype in Bullish, which just gives me confidence. It could have been better where it could have popped more, but it could have been a lot worse where it just tanked forever. Of course, it then ended up tanking, but this is a good exit opportunity once you're up and you start seeing those big dips here. So I think we're good. Just don't hold your bags for too long if we're going in Bullish.